So I'm responsible for mechatronic engineering, and like all disciplines in engineering, communication is really, really important. There's a whole range of needs for communication, right from communication with clients. In that area, it might be necessary to communicate in a very non-technical way. In other areas, they might need to communicate with other teams of engineers, and when they do that, they need to do so in a very technical way. Technical and non-technical writing is in the core of our courses right from first year through to fourth year. And it's something that needs to be practiced. In many ways, engineers have to translate business requirements into technical requirements, and that's a big communication challenge, and that's part of what they need to learn while they're studying engineering. So it's necessary for engineers to be able to communicate at different levels depending on the audience. The audience really guides the way in which a communication is handled, or the way in which it's presented. The clarity of communication is really important, and that often comes through structure. If it's structured well, then it can be much easier for either a technical or a non-technical person to understand it. But there are also ways in which they can use sort of diagrammatic representation. Diagrammatic representation can often simplify a complex topic for a non-technical audience. When we speak with industry representatives from engineering, or with employers of engineers, it's always in their top 2 or 3 requirements for graduates. While they do have an expectation that engineers will come out with certain technical skills, the thing that makes the difference often between a good engineer and a great engineer is that a great engineer is good at communicating with a whole range of different people, with non-technical clients, but with other technical teams of engineers and with contractors.